Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So first important hiring from the Harman, and this is on the Samsung company, and they are hiring for the software intern. So job location is Bangalore and pay rate type is salary. So this is a intern position, so if you are interested for this position, then you can go through it. You will work on these things, that is the engineer audio system and integrated technology platform. And about this role, so this role is a fixed term 9 month, and further there is a chance of conversion to PPO, though they haven't mentioned that, but this is one of the greatest opportunity everyone should apply. Will also perform function testing on the corresponding project HW, develop embedded C code, Python script. So if you have interest in this, then you should apply. Okay, and requirement is what, that is uh, good to have C and Python language, and knowledge on Agile can will be an added advantage. So what make you eligible? Strong knowledge of basic electronics and power electronics, no travel in the current role, and good analyticals and problem solving skill. So if you are interested, you can apply. Coming to next important opportunity, so again new hiring has been announced from the Accenture, and this is especially able graduate financial year 2026. So experience 0 month means freshers are eligible, and this is the eligibility criteria: engineering passing out from 2019 to 2025 means till 2025 pass out batch can apply, and highest qualification is BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, BCA, all branches from MBA, PGDM, MP, all branches are eligible. So you can go through it, and no active backlog should be there during onboarding, and candidates should not have more than 23 months of full experience. Okay, so means freshers are eligible for this. So if you are interested, I will provide all the link in the description from where you can directly apply. Next important opportunity from the HP, they are hiring graduate software engineer. Again job location is Bangalore, and you can go through complete job roles and descriptions. So this is also a great opportunity. And what are the educational requirements? So bachelor degree in computer science, engineering, information system, and others are eligible. Okay, and freshers are also eligible for this, and these are the tech stack that is required. So you should have programming skill in Python or Java or Golang or JavaScript, and basic knowledge of testing, coding, debugging procedure. So if you are interested, you can apply for this important opportunity. Remember friends, keep applying for lots of off campus, don't completely depend on your college. Okay, and after applying means वही आप लोग preparation भी continue रखें. Next important from the Prime Trace Technology, they are hiring for front end intern, and this is also a freshers drive. So if you have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have done any project on front end framework, then this is one of the good job opportunity. Next important opportunity for the Java developer, and company is Spire AI. So, and this is also fresher job. Okay, so your job title will be Java developer, and you can go through complete roles and responsibility. So eligibility criteria is BTech, MCA, MTech. These are eligible. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. And friend, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. Also TCS NQT 2026 will be announced soon. So if you want to get this kind of update, then make sure to support and subscribe us, and you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group for free placement material. Next important hiring for Java developer, students and professionals. So if you have basic knowledge of these all things, core Java, fundamental, oops concept, then you can share your resume to this mail ID. And next important hiring, that is the lead square, they are hiring intern SRE. So these are the key roles and responsibilities. You can go through it. Now main requirement is degree in computer science or related field. Okay, I know means lots of students were saying that please make a update for some other branches. So I will come with the other job opportunities soon. Okay, but कुछ जैसे Accenture हुआ या अदर में वो सब other branches are also eligible. Okay, next important hiring, that is First Source, they are hiring customer service associate. Okay, so if you are interested for this job role, then you can apply. I will suggest for 2026 don't apply now, because there are lots of more good opportunity will come, and I will provide in here. Okay, so if you are 2025 pass out, and if you haven't got much more job, then you can apply. So these are the course of applicable: BA, BCom, BBA, BSc, and these all branches are eligible. So if you are interested, you can basically give all the detail. So hope informative too. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.